Open it up. Look at this. The inferior poles of the kidney have fused. I knew that, Dr. Raj. I know you did. Next, it may then, as it ascends, what's the name of that artery that it may then get trapped under that you must know? That'll be an answer. Horseshoe kidney, inferior poles get fused, right? It's going to rise and it gets trapped under. There you go. Inferior mesenteric artery, inferior pole, inferior mesenteric artery. So, what does that have to do with the patient? If this child, remember, not every child is going to die, right? Not every fetus is going to die. There are plenty of children that have horseshoe kidneys. They are then susceptible to what? Kidney stones, right? Nephrolithiasis. Let's continue. Now, what does that have to do with anything? What do you need to know about horseshoe kidney on your step? When you hear about horseshoe kidney, immediately you should be thinking about trisomies. All right? Immediately associations with trisomy. 13, patow. 18, Edward. 21, down. Right? There you go. Excellent. Omar.